Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious and fluffy Ghana cake. So first of all, you're going to start off by creaming your butter and sugar like we usually do with all cake bases. So you're going to cream your butter and sugar till nice and fluffy. You can do this by hand or with a hand whisk like I'm doing in the video. Set the creamed butter and sugar aside, and you're gonna whisk your eggs. So whisk the eggs with some vanilla. I'm using Jamaican vanilla. I love this vanilla brand the best. So if you can get it, it's really good. Like, it smells so nice and it makes your baked goods taste so nice. Add the egg mixture into the creamed butter and sugar. Add all of it in and give it a very good mix. Once you've well incorporated the butter and the egg mixture, you're going to add in your dry ingredients. So add in your flour, baking powder, baking soda, and nutmeg, and give it all a very good mix. Also, by the way, I only added half of the flour mixture because we're going to be adding half of liquid and then half flour again and half the liquid, the remaining liquid. So we're going to be alternating between the dry and wet ingredients. Once you've incorporated both the wet and dry ingredients, you're gonna add in your food coloring. This is optional, but this is what makes the classic Ghana pound cake. So the two food colorings are red and green, and this just adds a nice pop of color. I just think it's really pretty. So add it in and then just fold it in, or you can just pour the batter into your pan and then just swirl the food coloring in, whatever pleases you. Pour the batter into a greased pan of your choice and bake in the oven, your preheated oven. Make sure your oven was preheated for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the toothpick is inserted and it's perfectly cooked. You want to cook about 180 degrees. This is a slice of the cake out of the oven, really nice and fluffy, absolutely delicious. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like, guys, subscribe, please share with your friends and family, and see